So today we are going to be doing like getting upstairs ready in the new bus, which is the coach. And today we're going to be getting like this side sorted to start like building upstairs. So
not building just yet, are we?
Yeah, no, but get everything ready.
Make sure that it's in a good condition so that we can
start putting stuff upstairs and getting everything ready. So yeah, so today we're just going to be showing you stuff that we've been doing, so yeah. So now I'm going to unscrew these like screws so we can get this bit off. So yeah, I've already done one off camera, but I'm gonna do the rest now. Right, so since as we need to get like the upstairs sorted, we're getting the roof sorted, we're getting all of the polystyrene out, this sticky thing, and it's really hard to get out because you have to rip it. And I'm working on this side, Poppy's working on this side. So yeah, so just watch us get this out. Oh yeah.
Everywhere there's like little bits.
Yeah, because it crumbles every time you get it out. So
I got it out!
Yeah, now I just need to do this side. And we need to get all of this out in there. Ooh! So yeah, let me just I'm gonna get this out. That's nice and needed to get out. So yeah, I'll try to get this out. I'm gonna go get a piece of metal to like get it out. Oh, can I use the tool, please?
It's not even a tool.
This isn't a tool, but we're using it to get it out. So we just put it in the middle, no, at the end where we want to pull it out, and then it should pull it out. Yeah. Now it's just all comes out. So now I just need to do this middle panel now. So I've lost my screw down here. So hopefully we find it.
Move then, I'll try.
Poppy found it. Thank you, Poppy.
I'm getting back to work.
So we're getting back to work now.
It's really sticky.
Yeah, I know, because it's like sticky to the roof. I don't understand why they've glued so much stuff together, because it don't need gluing. But look, it's literally like it's stuck to the metal at the top. Ugh. So yeah. Okay, now. Okay. Right, my tool.
It's not even a tool, Phoebe.
And I'm just calling it a tool because it helps me. I need to get this bit off. Yeah, that's not going to come off anytime soon. Found a bit where I can pull it from. So I'm just going to, this is my ankle, fold. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to bend it. And then hopefully I can, if it pulls out enough, I can get out. Yeah. Guys, so I've made a hole. I can pull this out and then hopefully pull down on that and then get that out. So I can pull that out. So I can get all of that out. So hopefully, and Poppy's opinion,
it's hard.
Yeah, because it's so sticky. So yeah.
It's literally sticky underneath. And watch this.
Poppy,
literally not pull it.
This is Phoebe's idea. Why don't you get AKA our tool, which is a piece of metal, and put it in the corner there, and then yank that out, and then just leave that there, because it isn't covering the polystyrene. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so that's Phoebe's advice of the day to Poppy.
It's coming.
Rate my advice out of 1 to 10.
10.
Okay, thank you.
No, actually, like 7.
Aw. I thought I was going to get a 10 then. Oh well.
I'll give you a 10 out of 10 because it's coming, but it's stuck on there. So I'm just yank it. When there's still... Phoebe, I rate you a 10 out of 10 now.
Thank you. Okay, right, now I'm just stuck trying to do this. So I might...
Oh, where's that?
Get this. Where's the tool, Poppy? Wait, give me the malt grips. So I got like that.
Sorry.
Okay, so wait, I'm trying to record this.
Do you want me to hold for you?
No, it's fine. Hopefully, I can get this out. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that out anytime soon because I'm struggling very much.
You just have to do Teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork makes a dream work. So I got the mold grips, I think. So now I'm just gonna pull. Hopefully this doesn't make a hole. But move, Poppy. I don't want you to get it, that's all. Ready? 3. Wait, I'm gonna go a bit further up.
3, 2, 1, pull.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that didn't work. Right, so we've got some progress. We've got all of that out. So now I can rip that out.
You're so lucky because I've still got that other one to do.
Well, I'll help you afterwards.
Well,
Poppy.
maybe because you started before me.
Oh well, I'll help you afterwards. I still. Are you using the mock grips, Poppy? Okay.
No.
Okay, thank you. So now I'm just gonna use these mock grips. Are they in the right sitting? Yeah. I'll just record me, please, Poppy. I can't do it one-handed. Thank you. And then, oh, wrong side.
Phoebe, I'm going to turn it to me.
Okay.
So, I've got this one and I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I'm going to just use the piece of metal I found and scrape.
Yeah, that's what. No, Poppy, scrape it and I'll show you. Let me come over here. Oh, we're doing lots of fun right now. Right.
Okay, now I know what to do.
So go like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make like a hole so you can get into it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, done that.
Okay, I can do it now. Phoebe Madden made a hole so I can get it in there and try push down so I can make a hole so I can try get all this out. Got some of the sticky bits off. I've got some more of it off and now I'm just going to try get all of it off and take all this out at one time. Just going to try now, get it out. Can I have
Let me
this?
give you another tip.
It's fine. I can probably work it out. I'm old enough.
How old are you?
8.
Okay.
I'm old enough to know how to do this.
Okay. Oh, good girl. Right, so we've got that bit out. This big bit.
Big.
Along. Well, it's not really big. It's just long. We just press.
Wait, I've got something.
Oh. And we can just get that small little bit out. Oop. So now we've kind of got a dilemma because we
Cannot get this out.
cannot get this out. I'm just filming your head right now, Poppy. Keep moving. Got it.
Don't
Right.
get it in my hand.
Now I just need to get that.
Where's the
Pull that. I think we might. Oh, pop it in.
Let's go in then.
Try to pull that out. Done. Right, now we're gonna get this polystyrene out. I think Poppy's already started on it. So yeah,
It's easy.
it's easy because it isn't above it and it isn't right sticky. But this bit's, we're just gonna get the main bits out and then we're gonna get all of the little bits out.
I got this one.
You want it stuck to here?
I just get that. Yeah.
Looks like you've just been to Winter Wonderland. Look, she's got loads of balls from the polystyrene in her hair. Looks like it's been snowing. Right, so I'm stuck on this bit. So I think I'm gonna get the malt grip and just. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so now I've got all of that done. I'm going to get all of see if any. I'll see if I can. So there's none on the roof. There's none on the sides, and I think I'm gonna start getting all of it from that side.
Now we're just moving all of this to the side when we're going to sort all this out, and that's upstairs done then.
And then we need to strip this bit out.
Yes, it's really tiring.
Right. So now we're going to move this.
Try and move it.
So, right, 3, 2.
Oh, I'm not ready.
Okay.
This thing is stuck.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Right,
I move it a little bit for you. Oh, it's down the slope now, so we have to be careful.
right, just check, and then I'll do just lift it up. So just pull it from underneath, yeah, and then once you get to there where it's like done, and then you pull it under
When you try pull it off.
into there to the next window frame, and you just move up, and then and we're just gonna pull this just so it's easier.
Oh, this is hard doing it one-handed.
Have a try. Right, so I need to get it lined up. I think these are like, because they're old,
Yeah.
they've like made it so they can't get it out. Wait, one out, so we're gonna try to get the other one out. So my dad has like ripped out the thing that I was struggling on, and I've took some of the thing out, but now I'm just gonna do it all down here. So yeah, this is way easier because there's like loads of holes to rip it from. So this will probably only take me a short amount of time. It's way easier than the roof. Poppy's came to help me lift this. Is that right, Poppy?
Have you took all the puzzle signing out?
Yeah, I just need you to assistant to pull this
That's right.
thing out. I don't know what it is like.
That needs these. It's stuck there, so just get this. Where's that thing went?
The thing, I don't know.
The piece of metal.
Probably underneath this.
I'm gonna try.
You want me to like do this bit?
It's fine.
Okay.
I can do it. I'm a strong little girl.
Stronger.
So, Phoebe's tired, so take all of this out down here. We're going to take all that off as well when you're going to see me how to do it. I'm nearly finished. I've still got this one when I think I'm going to get that little bit. So, I've finished, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe.